Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, hope you all are good and safe at your homes. Today I am here to teach you subject Computer Science, Class 1, Lesson 2, Unit 1, Know Your Computer, topic Computer and its uses, from page number 7. Today's topic is computer and its uses. Let's start today's lesson. Here's a picture. Can you tell what it is? You can think about the answer. And you guessed it. Yes, it is a computer. It is a computer. But can you tell me what is a computer? I give you some time to think about the answer, and your time starts now. You might have thought about the answer. Now let's move on to the answer. A computer is an electronic device that accepts input, processes data, stores data, and produces output based on a series of instructions in stored programs. Now we are going to discuss about uses of computer. Hello friends, I am a computer and I am a very useful machine. Most of the other machines around you only do one thing. Washing machine. Like a washing machine washes clothes. But a computer is such a useful machine that it can do many different things. This one little machine can perform the functions of many different machines. When you want to draw or color, you have to get a paper, pencils, markers, crayons, or paint. There is another easier way too. Do you know what that other way is? You can draw and color anything you want on a computer. You listen to music on a music system or a radio. A computer can also play music for you. Movies and cartoons can be enjoyed not only on the TV but a computer too. Writing letters, essays, applications. It is a letter to a friend, an English essay, or an application. Entertainment and games. Car race or puzzle, robots or aliens. I can keep you entertained all day with games and videos. Solving sums. Math is easy for me. You don't need a calculator when you have a computer. Math is easy for me. Papers, files, books, CDs. A computer can store everything. And you don't need to tidy up. A computer has many different uses in different fields and places. At home, at home, computers are used for learning and entertainment. In schools, computers are used for teaching. An office, a lot of work is done by computers in an office. Bank, computers help in deposit or withdrawal of money in a bank. Hospital, patient details and treatment records for a hospital are also maintained. Patient details and treatment records for a hospital are also maintained on a computer. So we see that a computer is a machine that make our lives easier and that does many different things. Homework. Answer the questions. Here are some questions for you students. Question number 1. What is a computer? What is a computer? Question number 2. Name 2 things that a computer helps us to do. Question number 3. Name 4 machines that you see at your homes. Thank you.